So here I'm discuss very important topic. How to ending through your Facebook post. Suppose I done my post on my Facebook here. That's my page will be posting on something. How to ending that post here? That is called the post ending will be called your website. Go to your website here. Now click for your special offer. In this special offer it will be here. Now see this one. The special offer will be called your ad. One, two, second ad will be there. Now will be offers. Here the second third offer will be there. Here the fourth offer. Now just scroll up here. This is the another offer. Now click for last offer here. Just scroll down will be offer. This ad will be created by who? Google AdSense. Now just copy this URL. Now just come to here. Click on post. Copy this URL. Here I'm not adding anything. Just adding my AdSense ads. If anybody click this one, now my revenue will be increased. That is called my website click will post for where? On my page. Now select here, select for image. Now copy here, post. Now click for deals, Amazon, Snapdeal, Flipkart, eBay, and Mitra offers, sale, and deals. Here you can search for deals of the day. Now select for here. So fast track for best offers, best deals. Whether my website is South News. Now here. And here the one more option is more deals. Click for deal and go to the best deal. So if we can go with the another option also will be there. So just here. Now just click for what is that? Publish. Simple here. And publish this option. First look the screen. My offer will be done. If anybody click this one, they're going to where? My website. If you see your ads, what is called? Every ad will be called one kind of impressions. If anybody going to offer will be there, see this. Now click for this option. They're going to where? Our website. The ad will be increase on your revenues. Your only ad will be increase on your revenue. So if you go any kind of options, your ad will be appear. Now here. This is called your ad. Now done. Next will be ad will be done here. See. Next will be ad. So here ad. Now will be ad. Now last will be ad. So my revenue will be increased or not? Every impression, the revenue will be increased. Next will be based on the clicks. So my option will be here. So how to increase my post reach? Simple here. Just select this complete hashtag title. Now click for here. Option called is share. Share will be option will be two ways. One is called through profile share. Second will be page share. Always you can share with your page. Select this option. Click for share. Option call is first option will be page to page. Now click this option. Now select your page. Now just what is called best deals. Select here. Click for post. Next will be share to page. Now click for select your relevant pages. Now click for post. Next will be share. Click for share. Now show your the option called is what are share on your timeline. Click for this option. Click for post. Your friends, how many there on your profile will be follow your profile. They reach your option. Next one, share. Share this option. Select here. What is called friends timeline. Select here. Post this one. Select here. Click for post. Done. You can send by individual friends. Now click here. Share. Click for share. Select your friends timeline. Here, explore. Click for post option. Done. Next here, select share. One more friend timeline. Select here. Click this option. Share this option. Click for post. Done. How many? First I'm sharing for page. Second will be timeline. Third will be individual friends. Next will be share. Click for share. The option select for click. What the option call is groups. Now here. Select your business. NS business group. Now select here. Post it. Click for post. Done this group. Next one. Click for share. Click for share option. Where select your group. See here. Business. Promote your business. Spread your business. Select here. My revenue will be based on your only for Google AdSense ads. Now here, click for share and share. Select your option call is group. Now will be there. Business. I can go to the business people in India, Hyderabad. Select it. Click for post. Based on the group sharing, your postage will be increase. Now see this one. I'm refresh this content. See here. How many shares will be done still? 9 shares will be done. So automatically will be views will be started here. Now click for last will be share here. I'm going to last option that is called last option will be there. That is called page to page or sharing a private message. You can send by multiple peoples. Now see here. Rakesh. This will be going to here. This is called private message. Understand? This is called your request sending for private message. See here. So how many people are sending here? So many people are sending for this option. See this one. So here I'm searching for this option. Now click for post. The people receive for the this message time. If anybody come to this here, just click for this option. They're going to wear our website. Is it clear? This is called you can receive for any message will be like this. It's simple here. Just copy this URL. Paste file. Now clear? You see how many people total? 21 people receive your message here. This is called you can share your content, getting for views and increase your Facebook page to your post reach will getting for website traffic. Website will be traffic will generate for your AdSense revenue. That is called your revenue generate from your through AdSense using your website traffic. Website generated by who? Facebook page. Page to timeline, page to friends timeline, page to groups, page to your individual friends timeline. Is it clear? This is called share your content on your page to groups and we can generate your website traffic. The revenue will generate from your website to Google AdSense ads. This will be two type. One is the impression revenue, second will be click revenue.